So the folks at Epic Games have announced that Odyssey, which is a 2D animation tool for Unreal Engine from the folks at Praximus, is now available for free. This tool, which now ships as a plugin for Unreal Engine, which you can simply go over to the Fab Marketplace and get, now makes it super easy for anyone who is thinking about storyboarding or texturing 3D models or even creating 2D animations right inside of Unreal Engine. Super easy. Originally conceived by the folks at Praximus early in 2019 and built on prototype tools like Iliad, Epos, and Ulysses, Odyssey was developed to empower traditional 2D artists with seamless integration into Unreal Engine. And this now combines classical animation tools like Onion Skin, Shift and Trace, Flipbook, automatic in-betweens, and so on with both a bitmap and a vector painting tool which offers over 250 plus stylus sensitive brushes, vector warping grids, smart eraser, indexed colors, and pressure/pen tilt support. And of course, if you work with Toon Boom, you will definitely notice that there's a bit of styling that looks pretty similar in terms of the animation features that this currently has. It's also worth mentioning that this tool was a mega grant receiver from the folks at Epic Games. It was also fully announced sometime last year. However, this has been used in various animation studios, including the Ellipse Animation Studio, since the beta was announced in 2019. Now, prior to the folks at Epic Games making this totally free and available as a plugin for Unreal Engine, this tool existed as a standalone tool and it was behind a paywall. So the paywall for these was about €1,200 for the perpetual license, and of course if you wanted to just get this by month basis, this was having a subscription of €50 per month. And of course this has opened up the capabilities of storyboarding, the allowing of importing, placing, and also timing of image sequences directly within the 3D space, and then exporting animatics to sequences, PDFs, or video files. And for those who like to get this, you need to have Unreal Engine installed, and you can simply go over to fab.com and search for Odyssey within the Fab library. And once you do that, you would notice that we've got the Odyssey from Praximus Corp. From here, you can simply add this to library and download it. More detailed guides on how you can get started with this exist within the website, and this is pretty interesting. And in terms of licensing, this is totally available for you to use for whatever you want. And like we mentioned earlier, if you like to blend 2D and 3D, or possibly if you're thinking about working as a technical artist and you like to combine some cool stuff with blueprints, then this is super possible, as this has a ton of things that can definitely get you going in terms of working with 2D and 3D, and also working as a traditional artist right inside Unreal Engine, as the folks at Epic Games have now made this animation tool totally available for free and baked as a plugin for Unreal Engine. So this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.